This is Shushan from MeasureSquare. One of the newest features to the iPad is being able to apply a layout direction of a particular product across the current tab or across all the tabs. This is especially useful for hardwood products. As you can see, I have a hardwood product in one of the rooms in a vertical layout direction and the same product in another room with a horizontal layout. If I click on this room, go to I, apply layout to all, I can apply the scope, which is the current tab or the project. First, let's apply the current tab. If I click done, it will change both of these to vertical. Let's go back now. If I go to Tools and Tabs and the second floor, you can see I also have a horizontal layout for this product. Now let's go back, and I'm going to apply this layout to the project. As you can see, it applied to the current tab and to the second tab.